Good morning viewers, welcome again to the Smart Learning French Language class. Today's topic is a very important topic of the French grammar, how to give the affirmative and negative answers against an interrogation in French language. I'll be showing you simultaneously both affirmative and negative answers, how to give it. If you require the personal coaching or guidance regarding French language of any level, from the very beginning school level to the college level, or for any other purpose, this is official purpose or business purposes, any guidance or Canadian immigration purposes, any guidance in French language regarding French language, you can contact me. My contact and mobile or WhatsApp number given in the description of the video. You can view my website or blog also for the contact details. Before starting today's lesson, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, students and friends to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. I also request to like and share the video lessons which will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. I thank to all of my subscribers who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Let's start the topic. Répondez aux questions avec pronom affirmativement et négativement. That means respond or reply to the questions with pronoun affirmativement et négativement. That means affirmative and negative answers you have to give. Okay. Please take down the instruction. This type of instructions are given in the examination question. I am showing you the first question. Please take down in your notebook the instruction. The first question, votre mère est-elle à la cuisine? This is the first question. Votre mère est-elle à la cuisine means your mother, is she in the kitchen? This is the English meaning. You have to give, against this interrogation, you have to give one answer in affirmative and another answer in negative. Okay, using pronoun. That means you cannot use the votre mère, you cannot repeat it. Okay, you have to use pronoun in your answer. So first answer, be careful. See how to give the first answer. This is affirmative answer. Oui. Oui means yes in French. Oui. Elle, I am using pronoun. Elle est à la cuisine. This is my first answer. This is the affirmative answer. Now I am showing you how to give the negative answer. No. Elle n'est pas à la cuisine. That means first answer, yes, she is in the kitchen. Next answer, negative answer, no, she is not in the kitchen. Okay, these two answers. But we are using, be careful, we are using pronoun in our answer. One is affirmative, one is negative. But who have not seen the video lessons how to make the negative, what is the formula for making negative in French, please see the previous video which is already uploaded in the channel regarding negative, how to make the negative, and then see this video. Okay. Please take down. I am going for the next question. Êtes-vous dans votre chambre? That means, are you in your bedroom or in your room? Is the question. Now you give in one affirmative answer and another negative answer. Êtes-vous, are you? I'm using pronoun, I'm giving the first affirmative answer. We. Yo soy dama shambro is the affirmative answer. I am in my bedroom or in my room. That is, I am using pronoun. Okay. Now negative answer. No. Je ne suis pas dans ma chambre is the negative answer. No, I am not in my room. I am giving the answer, positive, affirmative and negative, but both I am using, in both the cases, I am using pronoun. Okay. Please take down in your notebook. I am showing you one by one. Vos parents vont-ils à l'église aujourd'hui? Vos parents means your parents. Your parents, do they go to the church today? Is the English meaning. But I am giving one answer. This is the affirmative answer. We, that means yes. I am using vos parents. I am not repeating it. I am using pronoun. Okay, you have to give the answer as per instruction using pronoun, avec pronoun. Ils vont à l'église aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui means today. Is the one answer. Now negative answer. No. Ils ne vont pas à l'église aujourd'hui. This is the negative answer. No, ils ne vont pas à l'église aujourd'hui. I am using pronoun in both the cases. Be careful using pronoun. You have to give the answer. Okay. Next question. Vos amis sont-ils chez eux? This is the next question. Vos amis, your friends. Your friends, are they in their house? This is the next question. So first answer is affirmative answer. We. I am using vos amis, I am not repeating. I am using pronoun. Ils sont chez eux. This is the first answer, affirmative. Now see the negative answer. Ils ne sont pas chez eux. This is the negative answer. First one is yes, they are in their house. I am using pronoun. Here also in negative I am using pronoun. I am giving answer using pronoun. No, ils ne sont pas chez eux. Okay, this is the negative. Next question. Allez-vous à la maison? That means, do you go to the house? Is the question. First answer I am giving using pronoun oui, yes. Je vais à la maison. First answer. No. Je ne vais pas à la maison is the negative answer. First answer, oui, yes. I go to the house. Affirmative answer, no. Je ne suis pas à la maison is the negative one. Je ne vais pas à la maison. That is negative answer. I do not go to the house. That is je, this pronoun I am using. In the affirmative, both the case, affirmative and negative in both the answers. Okay. That's all for today's class regarding this topic. I'll be coming with the next grammatical topic of the French grammar in the next video lessons. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video.